Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Magic Fly. My name is Aditi. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share with you L'Oreal concealers review. I have all the 3 shades with me. I bought them from Nykaa. So this is how the concealers look like. I will be sharing my honest reviews in this video if you should buy them or not. And without further ado, let's get started. So this is how the packaging of the Loreal Infallible True Wear Full Wear concealers look like, and I have got all the 3 shades that are available on Nykaa. These concealers are not available in many shades on Nykaa, which is quite disappointing, but it's okay. So I went ahead with 3 shades. I already had 2. I restocked 312 shade, which is very rarely available on Nykaa on the recent sale. So this is how the packaging looks like, and you get 10 ml of product from each concealer. Originally these retails for rupees 7.99, which is quite a lot for a concealer because you get a foundation in that amount, but these come on discount also at many times during the sales, so that is the best time to grab these concealers. I got this on, I think, for 5.95 something, one concealer, and this is how the shade range looks like. I'll show you the swatches of all the 3 shades. You can see in close up, like these are the 3 shades. So these are good for medium to dark skin tones. They don't cover the fair skin tones, okay? And these concealers claim to be waterproof and they last a really good time, and they are transfer proof as well, and they claim to be waterproof as well. I really like the quality of these concealers. I'll just show you a swatch also. And this is one concealer that I have taken, and just see the wand. The wand is quite similar to the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and this is how the swatch looks like. Okay, this is the fun swatch. I'll just show you all the swatches so that you can have an idea that which concealer shades are available on Nykaa. You can choose accordingly. So this is how the second swatch looks like. This is one shade, I think, is 317 is a shade which is not very suitable because it is a pinkish undertone. If you are with yellow or neutral undertones, you can definitely go for other shades, 312 and 314. So these are the swatches of the 3 concealers that are available on Nykaa. As you can see, this is a darker concealer which can be used to color correct. This can be used to highlight, but this has a pink undertone, and this is a medium kind of a shade, and the coverage of these concealers is pretty good. I have used it many times. And one tip I would like to share here is that whenever you apply a concealer, don't blend it immediately. Let it sit for a while on your skin and then blend it. You will get a full coverage, right? But if you will just apply it and then you will just blend it, you will not get a good coverage from the concealer. So let's blend it now. The coverage is full, as you can see. They are very good concealers. I would highly recommend these concealers. So you can see concealers look like this, and these are not drying concealers, I would say. These are pretty good. Like you can take a little time in blending. Like if you're not a pro, you can definitely invest in them if you're a beginner as well, because they don't dry out very easily. Some concealers are very drying. These are not. They have a very nice consistency. You can take your time to blend them. Also, many people say that these are exact dupe to the Tarte concealers, which I don't know is very true because I have not yet used the Tarte concealers, but I'm yet to try them out. So the wand is quite similar to the Tarte concealers, and it is a great product to invest in. But I just hope that Nykaa introduces some more shade range in these concealers so that we can have an access to different shades as per our need. The shelf life of these concealers is pretty good. It is for 3 years, which is amazing. You can definitely finish the product if you are not even using it regularly, because we occasionally do makeups if you are an individual. So yeah, 3 years is a great amount of time. The packaging mentions the expiry and the manufacturing, so you don't have to worry that when you purchase the concealer. You can definitely check out the packaging only whenever you are using them. So I would highly recommend you guys to buy these concealers, but the 2 must-have shades I would say is 312 and 314 if you want to invest in 2 concealers. And if you are a makeup artist, you can definitely go for 312 and 314. 317 is not a great shade to invest in because it doesn't really suit the Indian skin tone. So yes, I have already reviewed the L'Oreal foundations, like the L'Oreal Infallible foundation as well, and the L'Oreal True Match foundation as well. You can check out the reviews. I'll put that on the I button and you can see the reviews. I really love L'Oreal as a brand. They offer some great quality products, and if you are a beginner, or even if you are an artist, makeup artist, you can definitely invest in L'Oreal Paris products, because they are definitely very good quality and they give you better results and best results, I would say. So yes, and if you are watching me for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just take out a moment and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my Magic Fly family. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video and comment down below what are your thoughts about these concealers. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.